Hey everybody, can I get a hell yeah? All right, today my ring, my doorbell rang, and there was a postman, and he gave me this little beauty. Look at this! Oh my god, it's so cool. Thank you so much, Ed, and the whole team for making COA. Seriously, this program changed my whole life. Seriously, everything, because my whole lifestyle, everything I'm doing right now is based on what I learned in COA. So thank you very much for the opportunity to join, that I found you on Clubhouse, that I joined in the program, and everything you do and the whole team are doing on a daily basis. Thank you so much for making things like this, making dreams come true, or helping making dreams come true. So thank you really much. This award means so much to me. I can't even describe, because I know it's just the first bigger step, but it's just one of the first steps. So there's so much to come, and because of you guys, because of the team, because of everything I learned in COA, I know that everything is possible. So thank you so much for everything. Have a nice evening, have a nice day whenever you watch the video. Thank you so much, and see you in the live sessions. Bye bye, thank you.